Inside. How are you doing inside? Straight line. Hands up. Clear. Together, louder, louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside and strong. Stand it is. Very passive. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now everyone get up and stand up. Ready? Start. Are you dreaming there? Be active everyone. Go there, that side all over. There. Inside. Do nicely, everyone. Side. Off. Geeta, our own answer. Off. Class 7 girls. Inside. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now we will do a school song. Hold your hands front. Sing together. Louder. Start. and Saurabh. Inside, and so up, up, side, down. Stand it is, attention. Stand it is, attention. And cover up. Side, and stop, inside, and stop. Now it's time to deliver the speech. The speaker, please come first.
Namaskar, everyone. Good morning to you all. Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Tarot from grade 5 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of seasons. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this kind of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic was like this: season. There are 4 seasons in a year. Winter is one of them. It is very cold. People like to wear thick clothes, sweater, jacket, etc. They like to sit near the fire in the morning, in the evening, and enjoy sunbathing. Another is summer season. It is very cold. People like to wear white and light clothes and thin clothes. They like to eat cold food and cold drinks. Thank you. Have a great day.
Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know that it's me, Pawan, my other from grade 8 studying in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of the value of time. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the ECA committee of Honorable Ashoj for organizing this type of program. Now my topic goes like this. As you all know that time is very important in human life. People who understand the value of time always move forward towards success. Time is more valuable than money. When money is lost, it can be reclaimed or regained sooner or later. But when time is lost, it is lost forever. Time is very important for students. Students who use their time to do works. Time never discriminates among poor or rich. Thank you.
And Saurabh. Side, up, side, down. Stand it is, attention. Stand it is. So to provide some information, let's welcome our respected vice principal.
Thank you very much, coordinator. Attention. Cover up. Everybody be active and attentive. Hands side. Hands up. Clap. Hands side. Hands down. Strategies. It must be done together. Attention. Sugam Thapa Magar, be active. Strategies. Class 9, be active. Class 10 boys also. Attention. Strategies. Okay. So, today is the last day of second term examination. Today exam will be held as usual. 1, 2, 3. Class 47. 1 to 4. 9 and 10. Class 8 also up to 3. So tomorrow we have got minor program, so let me tell you. Tomorrow is the last day of second term examination. Exam will be held in first half. 9:30 to 12:30. 3 hours exam for class 9 and 10. And 10:30 to 12:30. Class 4 to 8. So remember, exam on first half. Second half, some programs are there. Last time we had postponed Children's Day program, so we will conduct minor Children's Day program as well. Then there will be Dasai celebration. So greetings, Tika, Jamara, and there is some Dakshina also. Dakshina is your Dasai vacation homework. Remember. So they were talking. So what about Dakshina and Dakshina? Definitely. Near about 15 days work will be given. That is your Dakshina. And hello, listen. In the meantime, we will provide you some delicious food also on the occasion of Dasai. And next thing, tomorrow you can come in your lovely dress. No need to come in school dress. Wear colorful dress and come. Is that clear now? You can wear the dress of your own choice. It must be lovely. You think what you are going to wear. Let's enjoy and have a memorable day tomorrow. Still you have got near about 3 hours time for practice. Just practice and practice.
Because we are going to start from 12, 10:30 minutes, 9:10. Because class 10 there is English, class 9 account.
Okay. Cover up. Side. Up. Side. Down. Studies. Do it together. Attention. Studies. Attention. March time. Class 10 boys, move forward. Class 4 girls, move forward.